Menteri Sorkar bad MLA ke NPP na Jowai uba Wailadmiki Shylla ula ong baka jingpyntrei ka shopping market complex ha Jowai kabala sateng la selembha kala jandap artad hadin ba u kontraktor uba pentrei yaka ula la ben penstet yaka kam ni sngo komen shibun halor ke jinga shaprang ha ka jingpyntrei yaka ni kayo nga ai khuble u kontraktor namar ula le yaka kam ka bakrau shibun nga tharai unla ben pendap no ya kan ka jingtei shwa jong ka por bala bo ben pendap ong umintri habakran shakilat thai ku bor haga khat saw trik kala lingkan ha ka bas dang la antat ba kan ka project kan kot ha ka jinglot ka ba arpho klor tingka henry hadin ka sarkar jala kala menjor ya kamang ka ba arpasan klor tingka ya kan ka complex lakmi linti ba onsa IT no shaka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council hadin bala pendap yaka kani ka project kelas sateng no namar ka jingpen kala ya ka jingpen wonder design ya ka jingtei klem ka jingmenjor jong ka ministry nila shim kya ban pen imbyang ya kani ka project namar ka de ka jing im jong ki pat ba om tang jong ka juwai henry jong ka rilom jaintia hi baro kawai ngasngo kemen shibun bangilala ban pen ko ngo ya ka sarkar jala bat nga ai khuble ya umintri rang ba ka jala halor ka jingle bha ka jung u ni lamang arbasan klur tingka ya kan ka jingtei kede ka yo jong ka district council bat maria dam ngin sa IT no shaki bakin penya ong uba Wailadmiki kani ka project kelas sateng no namar ka jingpen kala ya ka design jong ka jingtei kede ben long ka G+6 Henry lapen kala sya ka G+2 klem ka jingtip jong ka ministry ya ka installment ka baningkong la dapan pelan Henry hadien ka jingjurip da ka ministry kisham halor ka jingpen kala bat kim sham la pelat yak installment ka baar bat ka balalam sya ka jingpen slam ula benram ha bakali la ka donne em ka no ko jingtmu pan shim ya ka jaka ka badan hakmat ka market complex na ka benta ka jingpen he ya ka surang uba Wailadmiki ula ong kani ka jaka hakmat ka market complex kade ka jingdon jing em jo ka district council bat ka shong haki ban sedang ye ki no kinu jingtmu ban pen he kum u MLA ka than nga kwa ban shim ka Henry kamlong ka basuk ban shim ya ka jaka klem ka jingsio bai lut ksan shaki brio nga kwa ban pensyai ba kumba kalong menta kamdan satya ka no kuno jingtmu na kalya ka sarkar ban shim ya ka jaka kade ka jingdon jing em jo ka district council kumta ka shong haki nga kwa ban shim ka Henry kamlong ka basuk ban yo ya ka jaka klem da sio bai lut ksan shaki kadon kam ya ka jingakran ka babnya na ka benta ban penhe ya ka surak ula benram
Quite happy in just recent month also have been there and inspect where our deputy CM also came and inspected the market. So we are quite happy with the progress of that market. We didn't expect, but I really like to congratulate the contractor. He's doing a great job over there, and I didn't expect. As I can see it right now, I think he will be able to complete it before the time of completion. 24 months. Definitely, because from the very beginning, from the government or from my end, is that it's just that actually, if you discuss on that, actually it is a district council market, but it's just us the MLA over there, and we have seen that this is the livelihood of the people of the not only of Jowai town but the whole of Giant Hills. So that's why we took. We are quite concerned to see that just to leave it idle for all this. A year. So that's why we took the initiative, and then I'm happy that I'm able to convince the state government, and I'm thankful to our honorable chief minister for his generosity, and then he sanctioned the 25 crores for the construction, but definitely it is the property of the district council. So once this is done, we'll be handing it over to the district council to run it, because I think because we have been discussing this again and again, even in quite a number of time in the past. Actually, there was a change in this drawing of this building. It was supposed to be G+6 at the beginning, but without the knowledge from the ministry, then it was changed to G+2. So that's why, no doubt, after the tender was called, the first installment was released. So, but later on, when people from the ministry came for the inspection, then only they came to know. Then there itself, then get stuck, and then they didn't release the second installment of that project. It is 25 crores. It was 20, at the beginning it was 20 crores. I mean, for now, since I want to clarify that as of now there is no plan of the government to acquire that land, because right now it is not for us to say, because I want to reiterate it that it is the property of the district council, because it is up to them. So definitely from my point of view, you'll ask, like I said, that I really want to, but you do understand that it is not easy to acquire land, especially in those areas, without compensating them. So it is depend on it need a thorough discussion for the future of for the expansion.